What's going on, fifth grade class? I hope you all are doing pretty good during this tough time that we're going through. Alright, this video is to show you how I would like for you all to structure your PowerPoint research project on pandemic and epidemics. This is going to be based off of a comparison and contrast on the coronavirus, and also you have a choice to choose between 3 different pandemic/epidemics. I have created a mock presentation just so you all can see how I would like the layout. But before we get into this, I'm going to show you all how to actually access Google Slides. Okay, so once you are in Google Classroom, you will select this button right here where it says Google Apps. You'll click it. You'll click on Google Slides. Okay. Go ahead and do a general presentation. Okay, once you click on general presentation, you have the option of choosing between the different themes. Choose whatever theme you like. One thing that I did on the mock presentation was this information right here where it's starting to say intro, first point, second point, and all these extra slides. I simply deleted them and I started off with this first one, the presentation title and section title. And so what I would do with this slide right here, the second one, I would just go ahead and make a copy of that slide. Give me a second. Go ahead and go to duplicate slide. And I would keep on doing that until I would have enough for each topic. So the slides down here, you would simply just delete them, take them out. I'll show you a better example on my mock presentation. And so that's how you access, that is how you're gonna access the PowerPoint. Okay, you're gonna use a PowerPoint to actually complete this research project. All right, let's go to mine. Okay, so I had a title. Start off with your title. I put Pandemic, Epidemic Chronicles. You can create your own title as you see fit, and you'll put by your first name and last name. Okay, this slide right here, where I put the list of pandemic and epidemics to choose from, you're not gonna have that on your presentation. This is just for an example. Okay, so you'll start off with this slide, your title, and then you'll go straight to you'll jump right into the presentation. So the first slide after your title, which should be your second slide, it'll be titled, When and Where Did the Pandemics Occur? Okay, so on the slide, you'll have coronavirus as one, and you'll have one of the 3 pandemics/epidemics to compare. Okay, so you'll put that there. If you look to the side on the slide, I inserted an image, so you all can do the same thing. And in order to insert graphics in the slides, you'll click Insert, you'll click Image, you'll go to search the web. Then you can put in whatever topic. So right here, I put when, where, and you can put images. And then a list of images will pop up. You can choose whichever image you want. See, this is an image of the coronavirus, or the image that they actually created for it. So you can use that if you want. It's totally up to you. And also, I'm giving you all the freedom to add animations to your slides. Make it as creative as possible. Okay, we're gonna go to the we're gonna go to the next slide. Excuse me. Next slide is gonna be titled Symptoms. Of course, you'll list these two out. Coronavirus, one of the 3 epidemics. You'll list out the symptoms. The following slide is preventative measures. What were the preventative measures that, the CDC, Center for Disease Control, wanted us to take in order to prevent the epidemic from spreading? Then you have treatments. So you'll list any treatments that they had for either the coronavirus or whichever 3 of the pandemics you choose. I know right now in the current state, there is not a treatment. So if for coronavirus, so you can put that on there as for the information. Then you have death toll. And so this will be the number of people across the world who actually passed away from each of the diseases. Impacts on the U.S. economy. Okay, so what impacts did each of the pandemics or epidemic have on the U.S. economy? This last slide is second to last slide. Well, yes, last slide is a self-reflection. Okay, and here's what you're doing in this slide. Okay, so it says you're gonna type. You can type up, or you can create a video, and you're gonna answer the following questions. How are you feeling during this tough time? How might students across the nation be affected by this pandemic? And do you have any words of encouragement for others? Okay, so you're reflecting on what we're experiencing right now in the world, which is the coronavirus. So you're gonna reflect on that. I'm giving you the option to create a video because I know you all are creative. Y'all love using technology, so you either can type it or create a video. It is up to you. But I'm always going to push for you all being creative, so I would recommend the video. But if not, it's okay. You can type it up. Resource. Okay, I have cdc.gov. This is a resource that you can find a lot of the information that you're looking for. It is a reliable source. All you have to do is once you get to the web address, you'll just put the information up top. Okay, when did the coronavirus occur? That information will pop up. When did, for instance, the swine flu occur? That information will pop up. What were the symptoms? What were the preventative measures? And also on the CDC, it'll sometimes have videos. which I can show you all right now. So for instance, swine flu. I scroll down a bit, and there are some videos, some YouTube videos that is actually explaining either the symptoms or whatnot. So that is something that you can utilize as well as a resource, the videos that they have. Okay, and so that is how I want you all to structure your PowerPoint presentation. I will have on the home screen of the Google Classroom, I'll put up a tab, a post, to where if you have any questions for this assignment, you can post the questions. You can have your parent dojo me or send or message me on Remind, and I will get to you as soon as possible. All right, have fun with this project. Be creative as possible. This is a project that is going to help you become more aware of what's going on in society and how this pandemic is actually affecting us. All right, Mr. Saint out.